Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole Patrick and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click the red button below this video that says subscribe to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. So this is a requested video. Some of you guys asked me to make a video on how to use hot glue gun. If you already know how to use hot glue gun, please, you can skip this video. But if you don't know how to use it and you want to know how to use it, please keep on watching. So this hot glue gun can be used for a lot of things, not just for making wig alone. You can use it to fix broken objects. I've seen a video on YouTube where somebody used it to make a phone cover. So someone used it to make that. I also saw another video where somebody used it to make a bathroom slipper. That was really funny because I feel like why use a hot glue gun to make a slipper when you can just get a slipper? But it doesn't matter. I love creativity, so a lot of people try to be creative with all these things, so I am not against that. You can use it to make whatever you want. Like I said, it can be used for a lot of things, not just for making wig alone. So on where to get this glue gun, you can get it in a hardware store or a home material store. You can just look around for it in those big supermarket. Maybe you can get it there. So this is how it looks like, and to use it you have to plug this place to the electric, just the way you plug your phone charger. So you just plug this place to the electric, and immediately you plug it, it's going to start heating up around this place. You can see it. Just be careful not to touch this area, because immediately you plug it to the electric, is going to start heating up around here. So after that, you are going to take your hot glue stick. So this is how the hot glue stick looks like. So this is the gum. This is the gum. This thing is not bonding. A lot of you guys ask me if it is the same as bonding. It's different from bonding. This is not bonding at all. It's called hot glue stick. After you plug it to the electric, you just take this hot glue stick and put it right here. Or if you have any hot glue stick left, just the way I have this half hot glue stick left, you can finish using this before you put another one from this place. This is the place you insert the hot glue stick. You can plug it first before inserting this hot glue stick, or you can just place this hot glue stick here before you plug it, whichever way you want. But for me, I always like to plug it first before I face the hot glue stick. So it doesn't matter whichever way you like to insert it. So after it start melting, it's going to start coming out of this place. You can just place your hand here and just pull this back. If it's already melted, then it's going to start coming out of this place. You can see it. The glue is melting now. Now you can start applying it anywhere you want to apply it. So that is how to use it. It's really simple. So this hot glue gun comes in different sizes. There is small, there is a medium, and there is large. When you get small hot glue gun, make sure you get small hot glue stick. And if you get the medium one, make sure you get the same stick that you can place here. This hot glue stick is the perfect size of this hot glue gun. Make sure you get the perfect size. If you get a bigger one, you get a bigger hot glue stick. If you get a small one, you get a small hot glue stick. Exactly the one that will fit in this spot right here. So that is all for this video. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, just ask below in the comment section. And if you love this video, just give it a huge thumbs up, like and share. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.